Construction lawyers versus contract management specialists. Which one is better for building projects? Most project managers get this wrong by thinking legal and contract issues are interchangeable, but the surprising truth is that construction lawyers and contract management specialists play very different and complementary roles. Construction lawyers handle legal matters related to building projects, including disputes, compliance, regulatory approvals, and claims. For example, if a contractor misses a deadline or a subcontractor files a claim for non-payment, a construction lawyer can provide advice, negotiate settlements, or represent parties in litigation. They ensure your project operates within the law and protect against costly legal exposure. Contract management specialists, on the other hand, focus on the operational side of contracts. They draft, review, and monitor agreements to ensure terms are met, deadlines are tracked, and risks are managed proactively. For instance, a specialist might set up a system to track milestone payments, insurance requirements, or quality inspections, reducing the likelihood of disputes before they arise. So, which is better? Construction lawyers are essential when disputes occur or when navigating complex legal regulations. Contract management specialists are crucial for preventing disputes, ensuring smooth workflow, and maintaining compliance throughout the project life cycle. Many successful projects use both. Specialists manage the day-to-day contract obligations while lawyers step in for advice or dispute resolution. The key takeaway is that effective building projects require both proactive and reactive support. Using contract management specialists to prevent issues and construction lawyers to address legal challenges creates a balanced approach. This strategy minimizes delays, reduces risk, and ensures projects are completed on time, on budget, and legally secure. Understanding the roles and leveraging both experts ensures your construction project stays on solid ground from start to finish.